So right now, I guess you're trying to do two things. Firstly, you're trying to understand how the markets work, what drives price. And secondly, you're probably trying to put a trading approach together that actually works for you. So right now, you're where I was 25 years ago. I had a big advantage when I started, and it's one I want to share with you today. By sheer luck, I was working alongside some of the top traders in the world, and they cut through all of the theory, and instead they showed me what to do, when to do it, and importantly, why. Now, once I understood it and I practiced it, I went on to make myself very successful. I now have trading floors all around the globe, and I've also gone on to win many awards, training over 400,000 people now worldwide. So if right now you are struggling to work out what to do, when to do it, then I want to share a bit of my luck with you. The best way to do that is to spend 2 hours with me, and I will show you my full 4-step trading process. I'll walk you through one of my all-time favorite trading strategies, and it won't cost you anything, but it could save you years of expensive trial and error. So book your place right now, and I'll show you how trading really works.